Ladies and gentlemen, looky, looky, looky. And it is painted. I've got the wiring harness routed back in its holders over here. We happen to have had some new straps, so I got the new straps on to hold them in place. And I think we're waiting on the new wiring harness, or we've already got it for the alternator and everything to get that taken care of, and then also down to the starter. New battery cable lines are coming in. I just got my list together for the parts that are needed. We need to do a wiper motor, a heater core, and a blower motor resistor. We're there. It just makes life so much easier to do it now while we've got the chance, instead of finding out, which Bobby had a really good thought about checking it now, so that we don't get everything in the car and then go, oh great, now we got to do it while you're there. And I'm glad he thought to check it, because it was leaking. And you guys will have already seen the video for the wiper motor, so I'm leaving that disconnected for the power, because we're gonna have to yank it all apart anyways. So I'll take that out, get that taken care of, and we get the new one in. And then once that's out, or we have the new one in, I'll get everything painted behind that and get that taken care of. Yeah, I can't wait. It's finally, I mean, it's nickel and diamond still, but the nickel and diamond is kind of stopping, and we're almost at the point of starting to drop things in it. I can't wait. I mean, the motor's pretty much done. We're just waiting on some of the bolts coming in so we can start bolting things onto it. And we'll give you guys a quickie look at that, just so you have a regular update. Da-da-da, da-da-da. It came out beautiful. I absolutely love this engine. And I like the fact that the owner gave me permission to do some of the things that I've done. That just came out. I like it. I really do. And that's the type of stuff that I really enjoy doing. I kind of like the idea that I have that talent. I mean, there's so much more to learn. I'm not stating them all that, but it's definitely really good, and I like it. The owner's happy, so that's all that matters. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, the big house, it's a big house. And we'll see you guys on the next one.